Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to break down the KineMaster file from my last edit. Sorry I missed the post here. I've been so deep into 3D right now. I've been stuck in the world of Blender, which has been fun. But anyways, let's get back to some work here. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into my KineMaster file really quick here. I'm in between classes, and let's get into it. Again, this was done all in KineMaster. Something I've just been doing because you guys want to see more edits, and unfortunately I can't really do the screen capture in my Premiere because it's just very tough on my system, so I'm doing the KineMaster gig. So here is a new intro I made in After Effects and saved the file out. It's something I can use over and over and over for multiple videos. And yeah, here, this one down here in the purple bar is the first time I ever used the voiceover function inside of KineMaster. If you hit voice right here, you can basically record we say a voiceover. And I was quite happy with the way it came out, so I think I'm going to do that more often. First shot here, I was using the Zhiyun Smooth 4, kind of just dollying forward. You can see my main focus was the reflection of the tree in the water there. And then the second file, I layered it, did an animation in, and put it on fade of 2 seconds to fade it over the top. And that worked out pretty cool. I was happy with the way that came out. And then it basically fades into that tree that I was using the reflection from. And this actually kind of, they went together well, because I guess the movement was slightly going forward, and then when the tree comes in, it fades in, and it's kind of the same, not necessarily the same movement on the same side, but anyways, enough of the jibber jabber. That was good. POV shot, me on the bike, and then again here, just again a quick cut over using the Zhiyun, the gimbal here, holding it out to my side. I kind of missed the focus on that one. The focus wasn't set too good, but I do manual focus, so I don't like to have it in autofocus because when stuff's passing by, it'll keep trying to focus on different things. So, but it came out all right. Then next shot, I fade to black because the next shot, look how dark it is. I'm using the silhouettes, shadows, so that was a good opportunity to fade to black. And then on the next one, same thing here. I went to a similar shot, all black, just to keep things in contrast. This is where I wish I could have rotated the video a little bit. You can see the video's kind of slanted. In Premiere, I would have zoomed in a little bit and rotated the video a little bit more straight, so the horizon line was straight, but hey, whatever. Faded out to black. Again, just kind of showing this little shot here. I had the gimbal off to the side and just riding straight on my bike. It made it really super more smooth than it was. Dissolved to the little shot where the whole photo was all about. Again, just trying to, in this whole new street photography thing, as I'm learning, I just kind of share my experiences with you guys, and then it gives me opportunity to practice some storytelling, which is why I added this shot in here. Again, just I wanted to film, so I added this shot in. I had the gear grip dolly doing a slide, and then I kind of added the cell phone, my screen capture, but this is my phone, so you can see kind of like what I was getting ready to do, getting into the app and firing everything up for the edit. I thought it was pretty cool. So again, I'm using AZ Screen Recorder to capture all my screen captures. It's a free software I found on the Android store, and I've been using that for a while now. And then I get into the edit here. Again, this edit, when I did the original edit, I was at work, so it was muted. I couldn't really talk. And then I knew that I was gonna come back and do a voiceover, which, like I said, normally I'll take the file and record it on a separate, like on my camera, I would record the audio, just audio of me talking over it. But this time I decided to use the voiceover function here in KineMaster, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'm gonna use that the next time. Quickly scrolling through all this talking head stuff, again, just editing up the photos. Again, guys, you might want to stay tuned to the end of the videos because sometimes I throw a little surprise in here, just some behind the scenes shots. Again, using the grip gear dolly and my cell phone mount. This is something I've been using quite often right now, just because the grip gear dolly was getting some dust on it, so I needed to put some work into it. So the shot earlier I showed you was also using the grip gear dolly. Stay tuned in the end, and I will show you some more behind the scenes. I like to do that. And my precious little one, my little daughter, again, it's getting tough to edit and do videos now with her because she's getting bigger, and you know, she knows when daddy's at the computer, she doesn't like it, so she pulls me away, and I can't say no. So, all right, guys, just a quick look at the file here. Again, just getting it done with KineMaster, doing all the edit on the phone. If you're into wanting to make videos and things like that, you don't really need a laptop. You can do it in KineMaster. I'm getting some pretty decent stuff out of this. I'm pretty happy with KineMaster right now. And yeah, enough of the jibber jabber. Don't forget to do all that social media garbage, share, like, and blah, blah, blah. But anyways, guys, keep filming. Stay tuned. Also, I'm going to have new votes up for a new video. And what else? Music was from Artlist, because I get a lot of questions about where I'm getting my music from. All my music's coming from Artlist. Down in the description, I have a special link that will hook you guys up with a additional month for free. So definitely look into that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Patrick LeVar, keep filming.